How much money do you have on your car insurance policy? And I'd be willing to bet that only about 1 out of maybe 100 people watching this video actually can answer that question. Do you want to know why? Because car insurance companies don't educate you before you purchase their products. Do you want to know why? It's because they don't want you to have really good car insurance. I'm gonna break this down really simple for you folks because you are at tremendous risk if you get into a serious car crash with serious injuries. Here in the state of Colorado, and in many states, pretty much every state, there is a minimum policy that you have to drive a car. It differs state by state. Here in Colorado, $25,000, that's all you have to have. Guess what most people driving cars buy? They buy cheap, crappy insurance, whether they know it or not. So about 70 to 80% of the insured drivers on the road are carrying a $25,000 policy. What does that mean if that driver crashes into your family member and kills them? It means you're getting $25,000. You'll never see another penny from them because they don't have money to go and collect, right? So what do we do? How do we protect ourselves from all these folks out there that don't have enough insurance? Well, I'm gonna tell you, it's real simple. You buy something called underinsured, uninsured motorist coverage on your own policy, okay? That's gonna kick in when the person that hits you runs out of coverage, or if they have no coverage at all, because there's quite a few people out there driving cars with no insurance. Well, the next question might be, well, how much of that uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage should I buy? As much as you can, right? Because let's say you're in a serious car crash. You have a rotator cuff injury and $150,000 surgery. You have a permanent brain injury. You're not gonna work again in the job you have for the rest of your life. You have a spine injury and you need a $250,000 surgery. You seeing these numbers go up, right? So even if you had $1 million in coverage, it still might not be enough. My recommendation to folks is buy as much as you can. Go look at your policies because you do not want to be a client here at Ramos Law with a serious injury or a death in your family and be subject to one of those minimum policies or no coverage at all.